My friend Carl over at Chameleon Antennas saw me run the Chameleon Tactical Delta Loop with the ground stake in the ground, and he said, if you think that's impressive, try it on a mast. So we're gonna try it on a mast. Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Let's get this mast installed. Well, I thought I'd try something new and push it in from the end. Don't do that. You're probably laughing at me right now going, that's what I said when I saw you do it. All right, let's see what we have in the box. We have a bag of hardware. Two really high quality carabiners and what looks to be one of those dipole mounts for ham sticks or something. Perfect, that'll go on top of the mast. And then the mast itself, holy moly. Okay, so the mast itself is 2 5/8 with this black cap on the bottom. So it probably means that the pole is 2.5 at the base. And then this top section here is 1 inch in diameter at the outside. And then there's a nice little cap here. Let me show you this cap real quick before I put it back on all the way. This is machined aluminum, and there is a mount up top here, and then different holes that you can put different accessories into. And I know you're saying to yourself, Tio, why don't you tell me what those threads are? That's like the most obvious thing. Well, those threads are 3/8 24, just like you would think. Which means we can mount any 3/8 24 aerial, like a ham stick or anything else, up on top of here. We're gonna put the Tactical Delta Loop up on top of this though. But before we can do all of that, this antenna in its most perfect form includes this mount. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on there so I don't lose it. It didn't matter that it went on one way or the other. And since that is a fiberglass tube, all I am doing is getting those lock washers down so that they are flat. No need to crush it. All right, and there we go. Now we've got the mast all set up. All right, and with the way these are hanging on there like that, I'll be able to put up any manner of antenna or sloper or end-fed half wave or whatnot onto that pole. Each one of these pole sections has a little white stripe painted on it so you know when to stop pulling it out. And setting it up is just as easy as flipping up the lever and pulling up until you see the white paint line and latching the lever down. And then you just do that for every section. There are only 2 rules to YouTube. If you're gonna do something stupid, it's gotta be on film. And number 2, if you're doing something mechanical, you gotta use zip ties. Team zip tie for the win. So this is completely temporary, but this is also a completely valid way of testing something out. I'm going to put this on the back of the RV by attaching it to the ladder. This seems like a good idea already. Absolutely brilliant. Easily one of the best parts of owning an RV is being able to get up on the roof super easy and do stupid stuff like this. I don't think Mrs. Tio will ever notice. What do you guys think? Nah, nobody will notice that. That's just awesome. All right. I know before some of you keyboard warriors go crazy down there, I put a couple more zip ties on it. It'll be fine. Seriously though, I am gonna get another mount for this. Maybe another 2 mounts for this, maybe another 3 mounts for this. I don't know. So far, I am liking this. Check out these signal reports I am getting on FT8. This is crazy. I got from Texas, where I'm right now, into Colorado, Washington State, and Spain fairly easily. I had a little bit of a pile up. I'm running a 705 at 5 watts. They're hearing me in Japan, 12,000 kilometers away. This is pretty cool. Imagine what I can do at 100 watts. Stay tuned to the channel because we are going to do that. I've got a video coming out where I'm gonna have this mast and this crazy antenna at 100 watts, all on battery power. Because why not? There's some info down below in the description where you can get all of this fine stuff. This mast is 12 foot extended and 4 foot collapsed, and it is made of fiberglass. Pretty strong, and there will be some more info on it coming out pretty soon on the channel. There's a video right up here I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.